When selecting a car cleaning kit, it is important to consider the quality of the products, the liquid contents included, and the accessories provided. Look for kits that effectively clean your car and have all the necessary items, such as shampoos, wax, protectants, brushes, and microfiber cloths. Additionally, check out the top car cleaning kits of the year for the best options. There are many products available to choose car cleaning product, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, checked reviews, and compiled a list of the best car cleaning products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. THINKWORK Pink Car Duster Interior Kit. The comprehensive 17-piece set for thorough car cleaning. The THINKWORK Pink Car Duster Interior Kit is a comprehensive and versatile set that makes cleaning your car both easy and efficient. The set includes 17 pieces that cover all the necessary tools for a thorough cleaning of your vehicle. The 5 different styles of detail brushes are made of premium natural boar hair, making them very soft and durable, suitable for most parts of your car, and allowing you to easily navigate tight spaces without damaging your vehicle. The cleaning gel is also a great addition. It helps you clean up dust and debris in crevices and corners, and can be replaced when it becomes darker and dirty. The car window brush is specially designed to clean the windshield easily and quickly. The 180-degree swiveled head allows you to fully fit the glass surface and remove dust and dirt in hard-to-reach areas. The 3 washable and reusable cleaning pads made of coral fleece, which have a water absorption rate of 400%, work great as a fog and moisture removal tool. The air vent brush is a great tool that can clean 3 blinds at once, takes less time than another normal cleaner, making it more efficient and convenient. The cleaning towel is designed to be quick drying, and has a strong water absorption rate. All the tools in the kit are made from fine materials to be soft, sturdy, and durable. They are also suitable for household use or other scenarios. Overall, the THINKWORK Pink Car Duster Interior Kit is a great option for those looking for a comprehensive and high-quality car cleaning kit. Number 2. Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit. The comprehensive set of 12 premium products for cleaning, shining, and protecting your vehicle. The Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit is a comprehensive set of 12 premium products that will keep your car looking like new. The kit includes everything you need to clean, shine, and protect your vehicle's paint, interior, wheels, bumpers, and everything in between. The gold-class products included in the kit, such as the car wash and liquid wax, will blast away dirt and grime, while leaving your car with a shiny and protective finish. The Endurance Tire Gel provides high-gloss protection that keeps your tires black with a dark glossy shine. The exterior detailing products, such as the clay bars, the case for clay, clear plastic cleaner, and polish, and Scratches 2.0, remove blemishes from your vehicle's surfaces. The interior detailing products, such as the Quick Interior Detailer, clean and protect your car's interior surfaces. The car wash accessories, such as the microfiber towel, wash mitt, and foam applicator pad, maximize cleaning results. The only downside to this kit is that it does not include a glass cleaner, and a bucket is sold separately. Overall, Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit is a great value for anyone looking for a comprehensive and high-quality car cleaning kit. It specialized products for each part of the car, and it includes scratches and clay bars for paint preparation, as well as microfiber towels, washing mitts, and foam applicators. If you want to keep your car looking its best, this is definitely the kit for you. Number 3. Relentless Drive Ultimate Car Wash Kit. The complete set of car detailing and cleaning supplies for a spotless vehicle. The Relentless Drive Ultimate Car Wash Kit is a complete set of car detailing and cleaning supplies that will leave your vehicle spotless. This kit includes everything you need for a perfect car wash, including a window squeegee, car duster interior, tire brush, rim and wheel brush, microfiber car wash mitt, air condition vent brush, microfiber towel, 2 microfiber wax applicator, car dust cleaning gel, drying towel, collapsible bucket, car refresher, and a storage bag. The tools in this kit are designed for easy use and are convenient for you to hold and clean your car, SUV, motorcycle, pickup, RV, and semi-truck thoroughly. The scratch-free and lint-free auto detailing supplies gently glide over surfaces for superb quality washing, drying, and detailing every time. This 14-piece car cleaning supplies kit covers all aspects of your vehicle, including body, rims, windows, leather, dashboard, vents, wheels, tires, and more. The kit also comes with a 90-day satisfaction guarantee, so if for some reason you are not satisfied with it, you can return it for a full refund, no questions asked. The Ultimate Car Wash Mitt is double-sided chenille microfiber and ultra-absorbent, making it perfect for a thorough clean. The Ultimate Tire Brush is tough on dirt, but safe on wheels, and the Ultimate Wheel and Rim Brush easily removes grime and grease. The Ultimate Dash Duster leaves no dust behind, and the XL Drying Towel quickly dries and cleans the interior and exterior of your car. The plush microfiber towel is extra thick, scratch-free, and lint-free, making it safe for all paint surfaces. The collapsible bucket, wax applicator, and air freshener provide everything you need for a clean exterior and fresh interior. The squeegee and vent brush have a soft touch ergonomic grip and non-slip handle, making them easy to use in store. Overall, the Relentless Drive Ultimate Car Wash Kit is a great value for anyone looking for a comprehensive and high-quality car cleaning kit. With its specialized products for each part of the car and its scratch-free and lint-free auto. Number 4. LIANXIN Car Interior Detailing Kit High-Power Handheld Vacuum, Car Cleaning Supplies, and Microfiber Towels for a complete auto detailing experience. The LIANXIN Car Interior Detailing Kit is a comprehensive set of tools designed to keep your vehicle looking its best. The kit includes a high-power handheld vacuum, car wash sponges, mitts, microfiber towels, wheel and tire brushes, a mini duster for air vents, and a plastic storage box. The vacuum has a powerful 120W motor and a 13-feet power cord that connects to the car's 12V lighter port, making it easy to clean every nook and cranny of your vehicle. The microfiber cloths included in the kit are perfect for dust cleaning and daily care inside and outside your car. The mini duster for air vents is perfect for removing difficult-to-clean car dust. The kit also includes a set of glass washer cleaning tablets for keeping your windows crystal clear. The LIANXIN Car Interior Detailing Kit is a versatile tool that can be used for cleaning not just cars, but also offices and homes. The kit is easy to use and comes with a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the kit, you can return it for a full refund with no questions asked. Overall, the LIANXIN Car Interior Detailing Kit is an essential tool for keeping your vehicle looking its best. It includes all the necessary tools to clean both the interior and exterior of your car, and is perfect for car enthusiasts and anyone looking for a comprehensive car cleaning kit. Number 5. Chemical Guys HOL 126 14-piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. The ultimate collection of car cleaning supplies for a perfect scratch-free shine. The Chemical Guys HOL 126 14-piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit is a comprehensive collection of car cleaning supplies that includes a foam gun, bucket, and various cleaning chemicals. The kit is designed to make cleaning cars easy and fun for the whole family, and is a great gift for any car enthusiast. The kit includes popular products such as Butter Wet Wax, Honeydew Snow Foam, Diablo Wheel Gel, and more. The Butter Wet Wax is a wipe-on, wipe-off formula that smells amazing, shortens work time, and produces a streak resin-free shine in a matter of minutes. The Honeydew Snow Foam is a powerful hyper-surfactant that cuts through dirt and grime, lifting them from sensitive automotive paintwork with billions of scrubbing bubbles. The Diablo Wheel Gel is a specialized gel cleaner that lifts away stuck-on brake dust and road grime, with concentrated suspension technology. The kit also includes a foam gun that attaches to a standard hose and a Cyclone Dirt Trap to reduce scratches and swirls. The Cyclone Dirt Trap keeps abrasive particles at the bottom of the wash bucket to reduce scratches and swirls caused. The Torque Foam Blaster 6 is a foam gun that mixes the perfect amount of car wash soap with water and air to create thick soapy foam to gently clean any vehicle. The kit is designed to provide amazing value, with all 14 pieces worth over $145. It's a best-selling kit from the brand Chemical Guys, known for its high-quality car care products and vast detailing knowledge. Chemical Guys is more than just a brand, it's a lifestyle with a worldwide following. The kit also includes microfiber wash mitt, short handle brush, 3 microfiber towels, and a dressing applicator. Note that the color of the applicator, towel and bucket may vary, but all the towels will be at least 16x16. The kit includes products that are among the best sellers in their categories, and provides everything needed to clean and maintain a beautiful shine on any car or truck. With this kit, anyone can achieve professional results and keep their car looking like new. It's perfect for first-timers, hardcore enthusiasts, or professional detailers who want to achieve the perfect scratch-free shine at every car wash. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more helpful information or if you want to know the product price, do check out the description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life very much easier.